we doing today? So, what do you say? Let's see if we can figure out what's going on with this 130. I think we got an air leak, but hey, you never know. Sometimes our assumptions are wrong, you know? But there's only one way to find out, and that's to tear into it and see if we can figure it out. Alrighty, let me get some stuff off of this and we'll start checking it out. Alright, so everything I've checked so far, I can't find an air leak. So I think I might have to build myself a pressure tester somehow, since I don't own one. It runs lean the higher the RPMs get. Let's think about this. What would cause it to run lean and behave like that? Idle's fine. So I was assuming that I was just tuning out the air leak. So it's possible that I don't actually have an air leak. Because it was, I could get it to idle perfect. It was only whenever I tried to bring the RPMs up that things went haywire. But I was able to get it to idle perfectly as long as I kept the salt pretty rich and kept the RPMs down. Everything would run fine. It's whenever I started leaning it out and bringing the RPMs up that it went haywire. Everything I've done for testing for an air leak does not show an air leak anywhere. Everything. It doesn't spray. I'm not finding any air leaks. So, I'm at the point now that I think I should hook up the timing wheel and double check my numbers. So I got a feeling I got something wrong. Tell me what you guys think. Alright, so I'm just going to check my timing here and make sure I had the exhaust set for 101. Let's see if I still got 101. Yeah. Alright, so I have been all over this saw, rigged up a pressure tester, like a homemade thing, and I'm not finding any air leaks. So, got the time wheel hooked up, went through all the numbers, and the only one that I can find that appears to be wrong is the transfer timing. I have too much blowdown. So I think I'm going to start by correcting that and go from there. But it appears the transfers are not open long enough to feed the saw correctly. So it looks like I got to tear this all down again and get into the transfers. You know, it is what it is, right? But I'm thinking about doing some other stuff too. Because right now I have it set at 101. And it was pulling 101 quite well. 101 timing on the exhaust. It was pulling that really well. So I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking about making an adjustment there while I'm at it. Thinking about taking it just a little wee bit further. But I have not seen how well it does with the timing that I have it set at. So, I don't know. Post a comment, tell me what you think. Think I should turn it up a little bit more while I'm at it? I'm thinking about it. I don't know. I haven't decided. But tell me what you think. But the only thing I can find wrong so far is the transfer timing it does have too much blowdown. There's the duration isn't right. It's off by a couple degrees. But like the width of it and everything plays a factor there too, so you know. But I don't know. We'll see what I get into as I get it tore down and see what we'll see, you know. Alrighty. We'll see you in the next one. Later.